Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to press out ball joints. And this particular car is a Honda Civic. First thing you're going to need is your ball joint press C-clamp with the two adapter plates that come in your whatever kit you have. So you can press on the bottom side of the ball joint. And then I am actually going, some people don't, but I'm going to use the sleeve to set in there on the back side so it pops right up in there. And then I'm using an air impact. It's a Snap-on 325, or no, Snap-on 725. It's the biggest Snap-on half-inch impact they make. Then I got a socket right there on the end of the ball joint press. That's a 7/8. You just tighten it down and press her out. Alright guys, we got the old ball joint pressed out. I did cheat a little bit. I ended up taking, and like I said, I used the I guess you call it a ball joint, I guess, sleeve or catcher. You place it right here on the back of the hub assembly, right down in there in the groove, just like that. So the ball joint will press up into it. And then, like I said, I used the air impact. Some people, crank them by hand, just like you would a C-clamp, heck with that. I use an air impact and cheat. Take 2 seconds to pop it right out. But yeah, there it is. I said these ball joints, they were actually still good and firm, but they ripped when taking them off. I guess they were seized up, but it happens. It's alright, they're probably the original ones. But the boot ripped on one of them, trying to take the spindle assembly off to replace the bearings. And I went ahead and just replaced the hubs too. I was able to buy it all as a package deal for a real good price. So, but you can check out those videos on my channel on how to replace the bearings and the hub assembly. Like I said, but there you go. That's what I used to press it out. Let me know out there in the comments. Hopefully y'all find this video useful. And I said it's step by step. It's pretty self-explanatory on how to press them out. But that's how I did it. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really greatly appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Make sure you hit that share button. And y'all have a great day.